Hi there, welcome to Perfume Experience. If you're in the mood to party, here are some fragrances that you can start your collection. You can think about it more of a beginner's guide to the party collection. Okay, let's get started. Number 6, Denver Hamilton Black, right? So this is a alt of Versace Aura, and this is a great fragrance, nice whiff and nice aura, very nice, very vibrant, very minty kind of a fragrance. Lovely one. You can get this for about 400 to 500 bucks. So this is a little difficult to get your hands on, but you should definitely try for this. Caliber Hamilton Versace Aura alt. Number 5 is XP33, which is an alt of Bulgari Men in Black. A beautiful fragrance, very nice, and if you look at the notes, it's got spices, rum, tobacco, leather, iris, so many things. Very beautiful spray. You should definitely enjoy it. And this takes a little bit of time to macerate, but if you get this one, it's a good fragrance to have, especially for the evening wear. Number 4 is XP193. This is one of the top sellers from XLNC. This is Azzaro's Most Wanted. And this is a beautiful fragrance. Okay, it's got a boozy element and you can kind of enjoy it in a party environment. Lovely fragrance. It's got tonka beans, cardamom, and a nice boozy vibe to it. Beautiful fragrance. Next one on the list is Black Cardamom by Projekt Alternative. Okay, this is a beautiful fragrance. This is an alt of La Dui Nalom. Okay, excellent fragrance, nice cardamom blast. Beautiful fragrance. The only thing that I realized with this is the performance is a little low, but a fantastic fragrance for the parties. Number 2 is Wonder of You. This is an alt of Armani's Stronger With You. This is again another fantastic perfume. Nice metallic tone, nice cardamom blast again, and a little bit of cinnamon as well. You can definitely enjoy this fragrance. If you have, let's say, 1 million or then you can kind of avoid it. But if you have 1 million, this is on the lines of that. Nice, beautiful fragrance. Excellent for party wear. My number 1 pick would be Afnan 9 PM, which is an alt of the popular Jean Paul Gaultier's Ultra Male. This I really enjoy. Nice fragrance, for the parties. Amazing fragrance, long scent profile. Again, a little bit on the cinnamon cardamom side. Excellent performance as well. If you can get this, you should get this, the Afnan 9 PM. If not, go in for the OG, which is this. Okay, and because it's a party, I'm going louder. I'm going with, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4 sprays of the OG, and along with, let's say, another 4 of this. And I think that should get me through enough for the day, right? Or for the night, to say. So here are my thoughts or my choices of nice party fragrances for yourself, and have fun. Thanks.